Hello guys, welcome to our channel Olympiadia. In this lesson, we are going to talk about what is the amount of surrounded area. So here we have a square. Inside of a square, we have two leaves in intersection together, and we wanna just to know what is the amount of surrounded area in blue color. It seems difficult problem, but by partitioning the area, we can get the real amount of surrounded area. So let's get started. The question asks about how much is the area of blue colored. So as I said to you, we have a square in the length of 1 and we have 4 part of quarter circle which make two leaves together, and these leaves are surrounded an area with blue color. So we want to know about what's the area of blue color. So it's better to get the area of square. So S of square, which I write as S square, is equal to the length of a square times itself. So it is equal to 1 cross 1 is equal to 1. So the amount of area of a square is equal to 1. Next, we want to know about the area of blue colored, which denote as Sx. So we want to know about Sx. Sx is equal to the area of a square minus the part of a round area. So Sx is equal to S square minus S around, which I colored with yellow. So S around is all the area of around area of blue colored. So we have S square and we have to just get the S around. To get the S around, we have to pay attention to the matter of S around is equal to 4 times of S1. So here we can write is equal to 1 minus S around, and S around itself is equal to 4 times of S1. What is the S1? S1 is one of the area of shown here as here. S1 is here. So 4 times of S1 is equal to S around. So if we get the S1, we can finally get Sx. So we have to get S1. What should I get S1 area? Here we have S1 is equal to the 30-degree of sector of whole circle minus a part which I will show you in the next slide. So let's draw a triangle which all the lengths are equal together and all degrees all equal together and is equal to 60 degrees. So let's draw two lines from two corners of a square and connect them to a point which I show you here. The triangle is equal to ATB. AT is equal to TB is equal to AB is equal to length of the square. So here we have TBA angle as 60 degrees because the triangle have all degrees is equal together. So TBA angle is equal to 60 degree. And I ask myself, what is the amount of S2 area? So S2 area is equal to the sector of whole circle with 60 degrees minus the area of TAB. So area of S2, as I said, is equal to S of 60 degrees sector minus S of triangle, which I show you by S triangle. So all need to do is to get the S of 60 degrees sector and S of triangle. And then S1 is equal to S of 30 degrees sector of whole circle minus S2. So all need to do is to get S2 area. To get the S2 area, as I write just previous section, we have S1 is equal to S 30 degrees sector minus S 60 degrees sector plus S triangle. So S1 here is given by the formula of minus S 30 degrees sector plus S triangle, because S of 30 degrees minus S of 60 degrees is equal to minus S of 30 degrees. So all we need to get is to get the S triangle and S of 30 degrees sector of whole circle. The S of triangle is given by the formula of root of 3 divided by 4 times of length of triangle squared. So here we can give S of triangle as the root of 3 divided by 4. And the area of 30 degrees sector of circle is equal to the, the area of circle times a factor. A factor is given by 30 degree divided by whole degree of circle. So here we have 1 squared times pi times 30 divided by 360. So the S of 30 degrees sector is equal to pi over 12. So pi over 12 is that S area. And then we can get S1 and then S around, and then consequently the Sx. So S around is equal to 4 times S triangle minus 4 times S 30 degrees sector. And Sx is equal to S square minus S around, as we get back to the original problem. By getting Sx, we can reach to S square minus 4 times S triangle plus 4 times S 30 degrees sector of circle. So we can write the Sx as here. And then as all the parameter have the replacement of element. So Sx is equal to 1 minus 4 times root of 3 divided by 4 plus 4 times pi divided by 12 as all the parameter we need here. We can simplify it as Sx is equal to 1 minus the root of 3 plus pi divided by 3, which can be get approximately as 0.315 or 315 over 1000. It can be obtain approximately as 30% of whole of a square. Okay, dear friend, our time is up. I hope you all enjoyed this question. Until the next video, have fun and goodbye.